Wondering where your save files are for RV There Yet? On AnkerGames? Let's take a quick look. First, launch RV There Yet and create at least one save. This ensures the game sets up the save folder on your PC. All games on AnkerGames store their saves locally. Your progress in RV There Yet is safe, even if you reinstall the game or the launcher. I'll show you where the save files for RV There Yet are located. These paths only apply to games from AnkerGames. Other sources may use different locations. You can back up your RV There Yet saves by copying the folder, save it on a USB or cloud drive, and restore it anytime. That's it. Your RV There Yet saves are local, secure, and easy to manage. Follow for more tips to get the most out of your games.